Carmen, a cancer survivor, shared her journey on how she fight breast cancer.
10 years ago, I was diagnosed with breast cancer after my mammography. And then after that, 2 days after, my doctor advised me to have a biopsy to be sure. So I got it. It's very painful really. And after 1 week, I had bad news. That it's stage number 3. Stage number 3. So there are 4 doctors who advised me to be operated, and afterwards, thanks Lord, that make chemotherapy from the radiation 21 times. And then after that, I need to take tablets, hormone tablets for 7 years. It was not really 100% that it's all gone. So I had my doctor's control first year every 3 months, second year every half months, and now I go there every 6 months to have my confirmation.
So how do you feel now, Tante?
I feel happy. I'm very, very sure that it's no longer easier.